No rituals and sacrifices. Buddha asked people not to do rituals and sacrifices because it was a wastage of money according to him. According to Buddha, yajnas cannot change a man's destiny. That if whole day you are sitting and doing a ritual and not doing correct karmas, then God will never be happy with your deeds. This is what Buddha believed in. He believed that sacrifices, bali, which we call, and rituals, various kind of vidhi or vidhan, they are empty ceremonies. Empty meaning baseless ceremonies or ceremonies which will never reap sweet fruits. So basically Buddha did not believe in various rites and rituals directed by different religion. Come to ahimsa, non-violence. Like Mahavira, Buddha attached importance to sanctity, that is purity of life, and followed path of non-violence. As I discussed earlier also children with you all, according to non-violence did not mean only physical non-violence. Like Mahavira, Buddha also believed in mental nonviolence, verbal nonviolence, and physical nonviolence. According to him, physical violence starts with violent thoughts. Violent thoughts turn into violent, you can say, language or verbal violence, and verbal violence turn into physical violence. So one can stop by one can you can say control violent thoughts in mind itself so that those thoughts not turning negative for him or her, and this way person can refrain himself from violent activities. So this was ahimsa propagated by Gautam Buddha. Thus, the importance given to conduct values rather than claims of superiority based on birth, that is, caste system, fellow feelings, compassion for young and weak, drew men and women to Buddhist teachings. So, basically, the gist of Buddha's teaching given in this paragraph. Buddha believed that the way you lead your life is a main thing, or rather main channel to give you blessings, because person is not big or small based on birth, rather person is big or small through or the way he or she leads his or her life. So children, I am stopping here only today. Thank you and have a nice day.